Hi dear friends, how are you? This is Tariqul Islam comes again with a new episode of my continuous parenting series. You know that in parenting series I always try to discuss different issues, aspects related with parenting and how you should behave as a guardian at this time, a new time and technology, how you will adapt that and how you will behave, react with your child in different situations that I have discussed in my series. And you know that I have segregated my series in some parts, and now I am on part 8 where I am discussing about the issues related with the profession of your child. When your child is in a profession, on that time what should be your approach for helping them, guiding them, instruction them and responding to them. And today I will discuss another episode where the topic's name is job satisfaction. We know that whenever a person in a job, it is very important for his career build up, that is job satisfaction. If he don't have enough job satisfaction, he will not enjoy the job and it will not be easy for him to develop his career and to develop his life stage, target goal reaching. It is becoming very difficult if he cannot enjoy the job, if there is no job satisfaction. But there are many factors that why it may lack of job satisfaction, like there are some internal factor and external factor. Internal factors are that is your limitation for which you are not enjoying the job. First of all, internal limitation or factor is your personality doesn't match with the job. Like some people are very much creative but they are not communicative, so they like creative job but they don't like the job that is related with public function. If they are put on a job which is related to public function, they will feel not adjust the job and feel shy and discomfort with the job. And it may be others that there are some they are not used to do any boring job. They like to meet people, but they are in the job where they have to pass a lot of time in the desk with his file or computer or other things without connecting people, so they may not enjoy it. Another second important thing of internal factor is limitation, like skill limitation, as he is not as expert in technology like computer or other things. If you give some job that he has to do many things with computer, he will feel nervous that he is not adjusted with it. This is there are many other internal factors I will not discuss in brief. There are some external factors also, like the job environment is not nice. There may have a lot of noise, dirt, dust and many other things. Like in textile industry, when a textile engineer start their job, they find that the environment, manufacturing floor is very much noisy, very much dirty, so they can't enjoy the job atmosphere. Other thing may be the persons around you may not be enjoyable, like your colleague, your boss or your subordinate may be disgusting or may behave rough, or other thing maybe there is not enough facilities like financial facilities, other facilities, or financial future growth is not suitable, so you may not enjoy your job for many things. Now, as a guardian, if you find that problems in your son or in your daughter's job, what should you do? How will you help them? That is my today's topic. At first, you have to monitor your child even he is when grown up, when he is on the job sector, because you are the guardian, you are the like the shade of your son or daughter. So when they are on the office and coming return, you have to notice their behavior and their mental condition, and by noticing that you will find that either there are some problems or not. If you find that their attitude, their behaviors is being changed, they are becoming so rough, they are shouting or they are becoming anxious, then you will be confirmed that something is negative. It may be either related with their job or not. So, you can discuss directly with themselves about their job, how what about your job, what about your job condition, how your boss is, how your colleagues are. You may ask them, and by this discussion you will invent either there is any problem in the job sector or not. If you find that the problem is in the job, then you will be confirmed that they are not enjoying the job and it has an impact on their peace, on their mind. So, how you will help them? First of all, you will always try to suggest them to do any one of these two things, that either you should change your environment. Second thing is, if you can change your environment, you should be changed in accordance to your environment. Like as you know that I am a teacher of a textile engineering college. Here I meet with a lot of textile engineers who was my past students and now in the factory. They express me many problems. So, I suggest them these two formulas. Try to change your job area, job environment. If you can't do this, you should be changed. Like how? They are not enjoying the job because there are a lot of workers uneducated, they do not hear about what are you asking, what are you ordering and many other things they claim. So, you should change the job environment, make it a smart system should be developed by yourself. If you are not so proactive, you should be changed to adapt with this situation, because you have to do this job. You may switch your job, but you may find worse situation or not better situation in that new job. So, it is not a perfect decision that you will change your job due to lack of satisfaction, but you may change the situation. So, whenever you will change the situation, like your boss is very much disgusting, you can change him, like you can prove your demand, your potentiality to him and his attitude will be changed. If you find that your colleagues are very much boring, you may create an environment that they will become more efficient, more effective and their working attraction will be increased and environment will be increased. If you cannot do this, you should be changed by the situation. Like if you cannot change the situation, the job environment, you should have such mental condition that you have to do this job. So, this situation should be enjoyed by you, and whenever you will start to enjoy the job area, job environment, on that time you will find that there is nothing, no problem. Many people are doing this job, enjoying this job. So, you will also enjoy it. As a guardian, you have to clear it to your son or daughter, and if they can't do any one of these two things, then it is very essential for them to change the job or to change the sector. Whenever they will change the job, they will find a new office. If you think that every office of that sector is of same pattern, then you should motivate them to change the job sector, and then when they will change the job sector, they will find a new area, new situation, new environment, and I hope they will feel better than the past. So, thank you very much for watching my video. Today I am finishing my video and I am welcoming you to subscribe my channel and stay connected with me. Bye.